It's time for another new Kansas City Spotlight. Here's your host, Lauren Scott.
Being charged with a criminal offense can be overwhelming and scary, but there is so much more to consider than just the charge itself. I'm Lauren Scott, your host for Kansas City Spotlight, and today we have attorney David Bell here with us to talk about the collateral consequences that can accompany a criminal charge. Hi, David. How are you doing today?
Great. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, of course. So what exactly do you mean by collateral consequences?
Sure. So everyone knows about potential jail sentences, potential fines. Those are kind of direct consequences. What I'm talking about are what consequences are going to result from a criminal conviction.
Yeah. Give me some examples of that.
Sure. So one example may be you're charged with a crime, maybe it's a minor crime as we would consider it, and you plead guilty, you're given probation, maybe you're just given a fine. And then later down the road you have to apply for citizenship or legal residency. And all of a sudden you learn that what you pled guilty to, maybe yesterday or a few years ago, now prohibits you from getting the status that you're looking for. And you had no idea at the time that that could have that impact. Another one may be you want to be in a certain profession. You have to go to the state to apply for licensing. You've pled guilty to something that you now learn is going to actually prohibit you from getting the license that you've gone to school for and studied for. Those are what we mean by collateral consequences.
All right, so how exactly can your office help with these situations?
Sure. Well, obviously our clients come to us, they don't want to be convicted, they don't want to go to jail, they don't want a fine, and we get that. And obviously that's what we're going to try to do for them. But in addition, what we need to fully understand is what is their situation so that we can look at various options and various resolutions that will help our clients avoid these collateral consequences in the future. So not only are we going to try to get the client what he or she wants right now as to the case before us, but also we want to be in a position where we make sure that whatever opportunities are out there for the client in the future, that they remain open to the client long after the criminal case is done. And it's that ability to see into the future to the extent possible and to make sure that we're providing those opportunities to the client so that nothing is foreclosed, I think is really what distinguishes us when you're looking for a criminal defense attorney.
Yeah, and this all seems like great information, something that people might want to look more into. So where can they go to get some more info on this?
Sure, you're welcome to give us a call or send us an email.
All right, thanks so much, David.
This Kansas City Spotlight is sponsored by David Bell at Wersch Hobbs Marakian. For more information, visit WHMLawDB.com.
So much can be said for how you start your day. And when you wake up, you need to know what to wear, where to go, and what's up in KC. Wake up with 41 Action News today, 4:30 to 7 a.m.